Hello there, fellow humans. You may not know me immediately, but I promise I do not mean you any harm. I am, in fact, your ancestor from over almost 800 years in the future. The humans of my generation cannot live on Earth anymore due to the high carbon dioxide and low oxygen levels. We have resorted to living on a spaceship called Axiom. But the ship's fuel resources are running out, and the ship cannot sustain human life for much longer. We need you to save us and stop this future from existing by taking care of your planet, in particular, your plants. Now you may be questioning, how plants can help us, and just what is a plant? A plant is a living organism that takes in nutrients, water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to create food for itself through a process called photosynthesis. As a result of photosynthesis, oxygen, that humans need, is also created. Some examples of plants are trees, flowers, grasses, vegetables, and mosses. All plants have hundreds of openings called stomata. Plants also have an organelle called roots that stay in the earth. Roots bring water and minerals from the soil to the plant. Stomatas act as a door in and out of the plant. The stomata takes in light energy from the sun and carbon dioxide from the surrounding air. Once inside stomata, the light energy and carbon dioxide is inside a plant organelle called a chloroplast. The chloroplast is full of chlorophyll and is when photosynthesis truly starts. The carbon dioxide and water undergo a chemical reaction as the light energy shocks the two compounds. As a result of the reaction, glucose, the plant's food source, and oxygen are created. Glucose is taken to the other cells in the plant, while oxygen travels back to the stomata and is let out of the stomata into the air. Plants thus mass produce oxygen efficiently and are needed desperately by all other living beings, and plants rely on humans as well. Food is broken down into sugars through the digestive system. Oxygen is taken in through the respiratory system. With both glucose and oxygen in the bloodstream, the circular system then moves the sugars and oxygens to the cells. The cells then use the oxygen and glucose in a process called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a chemical reaction in which cells use glucose to make energy. The first step of cellular respiration, glycolysis, occurs in the cell's cytoplasm and is when a glucose molecule's 6-carbon ring is broken with the help of 2 already existing ATP molecules into 2 3-carbon molecules called pyruvate molecules, and also creates 2 molecules of NADH. In anaerobic cellular respiration, or cellular respiration without oxygen, fermentation occurs, with the pyruvate and NADH molecules joining other existing NAD+ molecules to create 2 ATP and lactic acid. The most ATP anaerobic respiration can result in is 2. If oxygen is present, aerobic cellular respiration will occur, with the second step being the Krebs cycle, which is a complex process of 6 chemical reactions happening simultaneously and creating 2 more ATP and 6 carbon dioxide molecules. The last step of aerobic cell respiration is the electron transport chain, which is a chain of channel proteins along the inner mitochondrial membrane. The electron transport chain goes on about 29 to 34 ATP, 6 carbon dioxide molecules, and 6 water. It is visible from seeing the results of both types of cellular respiration that with oxygen, humans are to create more energy. A human's process to create energy, cellular respiration, results in the carbon dioxide which plants use to create oxygen for humans through photosynthesis. It is visually seen that humans and plants act as equal and opposite balancing forces. This means that humans must do their best to save plants, because without plants, humans cannot exist.